Hi, welcome to Module 3 of our course, Using Tact to be Successful at the Workplace. In this module, we'll try and understand why people are not tactful, what causes them to stop being tactful at the workplace. One of the reasons for people not being tactful at the workplace is that they are not bothered about confidentiality or sharing other people's information. There are situations where some information comes to you and you are not careful enough to find out whether is this something which is confidential or can be shared with everyone. Maybe you are not checking it with the person who gave you the information. And a couple of days later, during a casual conversation, you share that information with another person, which could cause trouble for you and for the organization. So sometimes when we are not bothered about the confidentiality of the information that we are getting, or we are not aware of it, then we can end up messing that situation. Sometimes when we are not sure when to say what. So let's say that you are dealing with a difficult employee, and this employee is having some problems at home because of which he is not able to perform at work. You are having a conversation with him in which you are supposed to discipline him. You are supposed to give him strong negative feedback. And during the conversation, you realize that this person is not mentally prepared to take that feedback. But despite that, you go ahead and you give the feedback. Now, because he is not in that mental state to take it, it will end up worsening the situation. And this person might go back home in a much worse state and not be able to really perform at all the next day when he is back at work. Now, this inability to shift behavior depending on how things are happening in the environment also causes us to fail in the area of being tactful. Sometimes we are uncaring about having other people's trust. So there are people who are not bothered that others trust them or others engage positively with them in the workplace. Those kind of people tend to share each other's information. So if a colleague or a friend or anyone goes to them and talks to them about themselves, they will not be really careful about holding that information. They will try and want to tell about it to others, maybe to show that how much more I know, and also from a mindset in which you are not bothered about how this person will feel who shared the information with you. Also, there are sometimes people who are afraid to be left behind. And they feel that the only way to move forward is to be aggressive, is to share information, is to show off that how much I know. And these people start losing tact at the workplace. They blustered through difficult conversations. They share bad news without considering what the other person is feeling. They are more ruthless in the way they engage with people because they have this deep need to move forward, to beat others in the competition. And finally, there are some people who have the need to be right in front of everyone. So I am right and you are wrong is a feeling which is so strong in them that they start losing tact while having conversations. So if they are having a discussion with someone and though the other person is not really taking it in the right way or the conversation is not moving in the right direction, they'll still keep pushing their point across without being tactful because they are feeling it's so important to be right in this conversation, to win this conversation. So as we saw in this module, there are different mindsets which hold us back from being tactful. And these mindsets are, first, where we are not bothered about the confidentiality of some information, or we are not aware of the confidentiality of the information and we end up sharing with others. Or we are not really caring about developing other people's trust in us. So we are not thinking twice before sharing somebody's confidential information with other people. or we are afraid of being left behind, or we want to be proven right every time, or we just don't know how to behave in specific situations. In the next module, we'll try and understand which are those situations where tact is very important. Thank you.